Breakthrough depression, relief in paradise. Discover IV Ketamine Treatment at Hawaii Ketamine. Are you struggling with treatment-resistant depression or other mental health conditions? Discover the breakthrough solution that's helping individuals find rapid relief. IV Ketamine Treatment at Hawaii Ketamine. IV Ketamine Treatment is a revolutionary approach that targets the brain's NMDA receptors, promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change. When ketamine is administered, it binds to NMDA receptors in the brain, reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of new neural connections. This comprehensive approach helps improve neuroplasticity, leading to long-lasting improvements in mental well-being. At Hawaii Ketamine, we understand that each individual's journey is unique. That's why we offer personalized care tailored to your specific needs. Our experienced professionals will create a customized treatment plan that addresses your challenges and goals, ensuring you receive the best possible care. Experience the transformative power of IV ketamine treatment at Hawaii Ketamine. Your path to renewed hope and lasting well-being begins here.